support cut motion and oppose the demands. Demand number 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 44. Speaker sir, ह्या डिमांड सगळे एड्युकेशनाचेर आहे सगळे बरोबर कंबायन करून उलयतलो. स्पीकर सर, फाटीं आमचो MLA जीत आरोलकर जेन्ना उलयतालो लिगलायज करपाक दिऱ्यो तेन्ना ताणें क्लॉज 29(1) ऑफ अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन स्टेट केलें आनी त्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 29(1) म्हणटा any section of the citizen residing in the territory of India or any part thereof having a distinct language, script or culture of its own shall have the right to conserve the same. Speaker sir, Diryo is a part of a culture and here amka sambhalpakuy jay. In the same way, Speaker sir, the use of Konkani script has been historically used in place of Devanagari script. Most of our religious literature and hundreds of books and scripts are in Tomi Konkani. Hence, there was a demand to permit use of Konkani script for the Konkani language. As per clause 29(1), it is a right of citizen to conserve the same. Speaker sir, the government has to ensure mechanism for providing the same. Speaker sir, NEP encourages multidisciplinary and multilingual abilities, and we are only asking for the script to be recognized. I demand once again in this house that this request should be considered, and this will strengthen Konkani further and will help our younger generation to connect to the language and our culture. Speaker sir, potte आता आमचे जायते जाणांनी पॉइंट आवटूय केला की ते वॅकन्सीज ऑफ टिचर्स हेजेर कितें केलो आमचे गव्हर्मेंटान कांय म्हयने फाटीं ज्यो वॅकन्सीज एनावन्स केल्ले पूण ते वॅकन्सी एनावन्स केल्लो एक रिक्वायरमेंट घायलो that they should possess teachers ability test TET was included. But TET was not conducted by government. त्याच फाटल्यान त्यो वॅकन्सीचे लास्ट डेट आसल्यो त्यो पोस्टपोन करून फाटीं वयल्यो आनी ते TET कंडक्ट केलें गव्हर्मेंटान. स्पीकर सर, but as a result declared केला जाल्यार नाका. But what is a guarantee that in TET only those who are connected are declared? स्पीकर सर, आनीक म्हळ्यार आतां आमचे टिचर जाय त्यो अनएम्प्लॉयड आहाय. त्यो वॅकन्सीज आहाय पूण त्यो आजून पासून कित्याक बोलनाय त्यो खबर ना. But at the same time, there are several education degree colleges which admit students. But a teacher in job kuya, admission kota to by college complete kota by sada punting job kuya. Speaker sir, our main purpose of providing education is to impart knowledge and to enable develop scientific temper among students. Sir, one of the most revolutionary theory is that theory of evolution. Charles Darwin, in his theory of evolution, explained how the mankind and other species evolved, and this matter should be taught to the student. But Speaker sir, a Goa board has deleted this topic under the name of rationalization of syllabus. Now, who is worried about imparting this knowledge to students? I demand that this topic be included once again in the curriculum of Standard 12 Biology textbook. Speaker sir, फाटल्या वर्सा आमचे 6th standard आणि 9th standard NEP implement केला. After this year, 7th and 10th implement kela as per the plan. The coming academic year, we need to implement standard 11th. I want to know what steps have been taken in this regard, and what are we ready to do this? What sort of changes that will bring to the syllabus and infrastructure? My simple question: if the traditional art, science, and commerce streams are more popular, will be replaced by what arrangement? How a student who wishes to seek admission for science-related courses like MBBS or engineering will be able to do it? What are the concerns of the management? Have we made study of the preparedness of higher secondary school for implementing these changes, and who are leading this? Speaker sir, last फाटल्या वर्सा आमी assembly discuss करता एक request केल्लो जी आमची common entrance exam आहा ती इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजी एडमिशन ती कॅन्सल केली आनी JEE इम्प्लिमेंट केली आनी JEE रँकिंगा प्रमाणे ते पर्संटेज प्रमाणे तांकां एडमिशन मेळटा पूण तेन्ना आमी डिमांड केलो हे JEE इम्प्लिमेंट कोनाक म्हण जे कॉमन एंट्रन्स टेस्ट आसा तेंच कर म्हण पूण गव्हर्मेंटान ते JEE इम्प्लिमेंट केले आनी आयज तुमी रिजल्ट चयला आमचे इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजीन कितें जातलें. आयज तो रिजल्ट पासून तेजे एनालायज केल्लो कित्याक तेजो टेक्निकल बोर्डान ते रिजल्ट घायला तेजे आसता 12th पर्संटेज कितली आहा जेई ताका पर्संटेज कितली मेळ्ळो आहा ती तेजे रँकिंगूय आहा ती हांवें जर कंपेरूय केल्यार सो दिसती पडटा जे जेई टॉप येयलाय ते 12 बोर्डाक सकयलाय आनी जे बोर्डाक कोण फर्स्ट सेकेंड पयलीं हाय रँकींग मेळ्ळो 90% पूण जेई सकयलाय लास्ट टायम आमी सांगलेलें जेई कोण आन्सर करात ताका स्पेशल कोचिंग क्लासीस जाय म्हणून पूण ह्या आमच्या 12 बोर्डाक जे कोचिंग क्लासीक घेयनाय तांकां तें मेळना आनी तें सेम जालां आज गव्हर्मेंटान कितें केलें जेन्ना आतां जेई कोण फॉर्म भरलें कोण टॅक्नीक हाका कोचिंग क्लासीसां वयता तांकां मेळ्ळ्यो आनी बरे ब्रायट स्टुडंट ह्या बोर्ड एग्जामीक बरो मार्क्स घेताले पूण कोचिंगां वचनासले तांकां मेळ्ळें नाय गव्हर्मेंटान कितें ह्यो वेकंट उरले म्हूण मागीर कितें केलां आतां बोर्ड एग्जामीच्यो 12थाचे मार्क्स कोण उरले ते काडले जरी तर गव्हर्मेंटान हेच प्रोसेस केल्लो आतां कॉमन एंट्रन्स एग्जाम पासून कोणा जर 12थाची जो कन्सिडर केलो जाल्यार एटलिस्ट एक स्मार्ट एक भुरगे आहाय कॉमन तांकां एक प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळटालें आनी तांकां एडमिशन मेळटालें आयज पासून त्यो उत्तर आज सेकेंड इयर जालें जेई फील जायनाय पूण 12था भुरग्यांक परत्या मार्क्साचेर एडमीट करताय सो आजून पासून हांव डिमांड करता हे जेई त्या लेवलाचेर आमी फाटीं म्हाका दिसता म्हाका एक स्टेटमेंटूय केलो सीएमान कित्याक टिचर्सांन तांकां दिनाय म्हूण टिचर्स तांकां एडवायस कोनाय तांकां सांगनाय म्हूण बिकॉज सांगपाक म्हळ्यार प्रॅक्टिकली कितें भुरग्यांकूय खबर आहा जेई जायती तेन्ना जेई आन्सर करपाक वयता जाल्यार कोचिंग क्लासीसां वचना जाल्यार तांकां ते मॉक टेस्ट जायते येताय ते आन्सर करपाक जेन्ना ते भुरगे कोचिंगां वचनाय ते मॉक टेस्ट चोयलो जाल्यार पेपरूच चोयल्यार तांकां गोंड येता कित्याक तांकां ते आन्सर करपाक जाय न्ही आनी ते भियोनूच ते आन्सर करपाक जाय आनी ते अटेम्पूय करनाय जेई आन्सर करपाक सो ताका लागून हांवें तो मागता हेजो यू कन्सिडर जेन्ना आमी इंजिनियरिंगाक एडमिशन करता तेन्ना मॅथ्स फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री कन्सिडर करताले 12थाची आतां तें करचें नाजाल्यार कॉमन एंट्रन्स एग्जामिनेशन पण नॅशनल लेवलाचेर कोण जेई आन्सर कोण टॉप दुसरे कोण IIT NIT कोण वयताय तें कोण न्ही पूण नाजाल्यार यशेन जालें वेकंट उरतलीं एवरी टायम पयलीं जेई मागीर उरता ते आमचे 12थाक बोर्ड एग्जाम कन्सिडर Speakers, I also demanded that an expert committee be of renowned educational be appointed to look at the standard of curriculum that we provide right from the primary to higher level and come up with a gap analysis to ensure that a talented Goan student can compete at the national level. Speaker, sir, Goa University adopted NAP at the campus and colleges. We should congratulate the university. I also congratulate it for securing A+ grade in the NASC. Speaker, sir, Janna a committee NASC visited Puile, Vice Chancellor of Goa University, in an interview blamed the domicile condition, saying that because of domicile, our ranking is going down. Does that mean that the teachers who joined using this clause are substandard? Domicile and knowledge of Konkani is a requirement that is imposed by all state universities in India. So why there should be objection to this? Government should seek explanation in data of this statement because this statement has hurt the teachers of Goa University. Secondly, previously NAC has pointed out the teacher shortage and that was one of the main reasons for low grade of previous cycle. There have been substantial recruitment in last few years and due to domicile and implementation of reservation policies, several young faculty members joined university. These people work sincerely to get a good ranking, thus proving the Vice Chancellor wrong. Hence, I demand the domicile clause and knowledge of Konkani should not be relaxed and only after repeated attempt, faculty is not able, then they may go for outside state faculty. Speaker, sir, Goa Engineering College उलयता आसतना this is one of the prestigious old engineering college in Goa. हांवूय ते कॉलेजीन तूं पास जालो 30 years back. पूण आतां ते कॉलेज कॅम्पसाक गेलो जाल्यार कांय चेंजीस म्हाका दिसली पळय फकत थोडी बिल्डींग येयलाय आनी द नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट चेंज जाला फ्रॉम 800 to 2,600 जाला. Because the government need to look into present requirement of this college as at par with other national level institutions by making special provision in the budget. Speaker, sir, demand number 46 museum. Speaker, sir, a museum building करने येतले हे beginning complete जावपाक जाय. Demand number 75 planning, statistics and evaluation. Speaker, sir, birth and death certificate is an important activity. Goa historically has maintained this record properly. But now some people are committing fraud. 40 paper Tarun Bharat has claimed that 400 certificate are fabricated. And त्या रिपोर्टाचे 2 cases specifically दिले. One of in which the same person has been issued 3 birth certificates at different point of time, with keeping first name same, but name of the father and surname different. I have the copies of this certificate. Can a person name change? Can a person name change of a father and surname? The report also mentioned that a lady lawyer had changed the birth of date when she was born in 1972, and the original birth certificate was issued at that time, but no reason. The person applied for the birth certificate stating her birth is not registered, and in 2010 a new birth certificate is issued with birth date, with new date. The same person was born in 1972 is now having a new birth certificate, having birth certificate of 1975. Speaker sir, I urge you to investigate this matter and find out if more such cases are going on, and if there is a racket that provides such services. Speaker sir, this can be misused by non-Goans who can register their birth here and later drop Indian citizenship or Portuguese passport. Speaker sir, demand number 81, tribal welfare. स्वामाक्त ट्रायबल वेलफेयर या ट्रायबल 52 आहात ते बेगीन कंप्लीट करचो. थँक्यू सर.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
हो गया शुरू पहला सेमेस्टर, सीनियर सामने नर्वस फ्रेशर्स, लेक्चर्स, हैंगआउट्स, लेट नाइट रील्स, मस्ती वाले ये अपने व्हील्स.
पहले प्यार की पहली राइड,
स्लोली स्लोली मैचिंग वाइब.
एक्टिवा एक्टिवा एक्टिवा, फर्स्ट लव बोले तो एक्टिवा. आओ करें ट्राई एक नया पाथ, क्लिक योर फर्स्ट, मेक योर मार्क.